Hi, it's a hot summer here in the Philippines. And since we changed the school calendar, it's still school days. Now, many people are discussing if the old school calendar should be brought back. But I won't discuss the pros and cons of the current situation. Instead, I'll share with you signs about the current situation in American Sign Language and Korean Sign Language. Hak, hak, dukta, dukta. It's like the sweat falling down your face, dukta. Rain, B, B. It's drinking water and then it falls down. So B. School. Hakyu. Book or check. It's the same for sign for both Korean and American Sign Language. Water and mood. Hi, thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write in the comments below. See you in the next video.